question 3, this question is about isomers. Hex-2ene has a molecular formula C6H12. Draw displayed formula of position isomer Hex-2ene that exists as E and Z isomers. Hex-2ene, okay, position isomer. And then fill in the hydrogens as well. But because it's the ones, we subtract a hydrogen, so we don't have hydrogens below carbon double bond. CH3 CH2 CH CH double bond carbon double bond carbon CH2 CH3. Draw displayed formula of a chain isomer of Hex-2ene that does not exist as E and Z isomers. C double bond C. In this case, chain isomer does not exist as E and Z isomers. CH3. We'll see no hydrogen there, so it should look something like that. CH2 CH2 CH carbon CH3 CH3. Draw the skeletal formula of a functional group isomer butanol that has absorption in a range of this in this infrared spectrum. Skeletal formula, that's the key thing. And no, actually that's not really the key thing. Functional group isomer, butanol, absorption of that. Well, butanol, methane, ethane, propane, butane. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's also this, so it's going to be a double bond O. There we go. C double bond O. And it should look exactly like that. Skeletal formula. Something like that. And then 3.4 just skeletal formula. Butanol that has absorption in this range of this infrared spectrum. Well, that's going to be alcohol, OH. Skeletal formula. Well, there's loads of alternatives. But we could just do methane, ethane, propane, butane, and OH group sticking at the side of one of the carbons. So CO, OH sticking on the side of the rectangle. It's not a rectangle, the square. Yeah, I don't know what's going on out of this square. And then 3.5, calculate empirical formula of these compounds. Give that UPAC name of 2 saturated halogen alkanes out of this empirical formula. So we've got carbon, hydrogen, bromine. So we need to find out the moles. So it's going to be 17.8 the mass divided by the MR. Mass of hydrogen divided by MR. Mass of bromine divided by the MR. Okay, so we should get 1.48 to 3 to 0.99, and then we need to divide by the smaller ratio, 0.99. Need to divide by that. And then we'll times by 2 to get an empirical formula. We should get C3H6Br2. C3H6Br2. These type of questions, always the same thing. Calculate moles. Calculate the simplest number of molar ratio, and then times for the empirical formula. Calculate moles divided by smallest molar ratio, and then calculate empirical formula. And then names of halogen alkanes. We can have 1,1-dibromo propane, C3H6Br2, or we can have 1,2-dibromo propane. And that's the end of question 3.